Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video session, I'm going to explain Python arithmetic operators. What is my lesson goal? I want to explain you about the arithmetic operators: plus, minus, multiplication, division, and this one is integer operator and modulus operator and exponential operator. Understand operator precedence, order of operation. Precedence means order of operation. How to evaluate the operations. See the difference between division and double slash, that is integral, that will give you integer value. Learn how percentage modulus behave including with negative. Use augmented assignment like this. The operators, what are the operators we have? We have plus, minus, multiplication, division, and exponential and integral operator and modulus operator. And what they will do? Say operators plus, we can say addition means 7 plus 3, it will give you 10. Minus subtraction, 7 minus 3, it will give you 4. Multiplication, 7 times 3, it will give you 21. See, division, 7 divided by 2, the answer is 3.5. Okay, when you will use double slash, okay, this will give you 3.5, but due to this slash, it will give you only integer value, that is 3. Modulus remainder operator, 7 percentage 2 divided by 1. Suppose you have 7 divided by 2, then 3 2's are 6, no remaining value is 1. It shows this one. Okay, this is the remainder that shows 1 here. And exponential means 2 raised power 5. It means 2 raised power 5, that is equivalent to 32. Okay, division, single slash versus double slash. Single slash give exact division as a float number like 3.5 in form of a point float. Double slash gives the floor value rounded down to the next lower integer. For example, even your answer is 3.9, it will give you only 3. Okay, it will not round to 4. It will give you floor value only. Like print 7 divided by 2, answer is 3.5, and same when you will use double slash, it will give you integral value, that is 3. Minus 7 divided by 2, minus 3.4, and minus 7 equal double integral divided by 2 will give you the floor value. Floor value minus 3, and minus 4. Which one is the lowest? Floor value, that is minus 4. Okay, floor goes down. Okay, clear? Modulus A percentage B, remainder after division by B. Always satisfy A equal to, suppose always satisfy A equal to B times A divided by B plus A percentage B. Okay, suppose print 15 percentage 4, remainder is 3, because how they will get 3? For example, 15 divided by 3, 4 3's are 12, no remaining value is 3. Okay, or in other words, what you will do, you can multiply by this value and this value. 4 times 3, 12 plus 3. Okay, print 5 percentage 4, answer is equivalent to 1. With the negative values, how you will get negative answer? Minus 7 divided by 5, okay, they will give you 3, because how they will get it? Mean minus 7 equal to 5 times multiply by minus 2 plus 3. Okay, 5 times multiply minus 2, it will give you minus 10. Minus 10 plus 3, answer is -7, and because -7 equal to this, okay, and -7 divided by 5, when you will divide it by 5, it will give you -2. Okay, print -7 double slash mean double division will give you -2. In case of exponential power, 2 raised power 5, that will give you 32, means 2 raised power 5 equal to 32. Okay, 10 raised power 0 equal to 1, 3 raised power 2 equal to 9, 9 raised power 1 by 2, that is 3, square root as a float. Operator precedence mean order of operation. Python follow this order. Here first of all, they are going to solve this parentheses. Then exponential, right to left. Then multiplication, division, float, division, modulus, like that. Then addition, subtraction, this. Okay, 2 plus 3 times 4. First they will solve this one. 4, 3 times 12 plus 2. Answer is 14. Okay, first of all, 2 plus 3. They will solve this bracket. They will solve this bracket. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 times 4 equal to 20. Okay, 2, it means 2 raised power 3 and 3 raised power is 2. Okay, how you will solve? First you will solve 3 raised power 2. Okay, 2 raised 3 raised power 2, answer is 9. Then you will solve 2 raised power 9 is 512. Okay, augmented assignment short form. I equal to 10, I plus equal to 10. How you can write? You can write I equal to I plus 2. This is the short form. You can write I equal to I plus 2, or you can write I plus equal to 2. First operator, then equal sign. Be carefully, be remind this one. Okay, first operator, then equal sign. I minus equal to 5 is equivalent to I equal to I minus 5. I multiply by equal to 3 is equivalent to I equal to I times 3. Then I divided by 4 equal to I divided by 4, means same operator, you will use the same operator. In this case, I exponential equal to 3 means I equal to I exponential of 3. This is the short form. Okay, how you will evaluate? Example number 1. 8 plus 12 divided by 5, because this, see that this operator and this operator have the same precedence, same hierarchy, but we will solve from first from left to right. 12 divided by 5, answer is equivalent to 2. Okay, then 8 plus 2 multiply by 3, it will give you 3 times 2, 6. 8 plus 6, okay, 8 plus 6 and 8 plus 6 equal to 14. Example number 2. 18 minus 5 divided by 4 percentage 4 plus 2 exponential power 3. First of all, I will solve this. When I will solve, it will give you 13. Okay, then see that it will become 13. 13 divided by 4. When you will 13 divided by 4, you will check the remainder. Remainder will give you 1. Okay, after this, 2 raised power 3, that is equivalent to 8. Now when you will write, see here it will become 1 plus 8, that is equivalent to 9. Common mistakes and tips. Return a float 6/3, it will give you 2.0. Float division goes to down, -7 equal to 2, it will give you -3 point something, but due to floor you will get -4. Modulus with the negative still fit. A equal to, how you will get? A equal to B times A divided by B plus A percentage B. Use parentheses to make intention clear. Okay, please try it yourself. Okay, these question, and if you are not able to solve, please write me in comment. Multiple choice question number 1. What is the result of 7 divided by 2? It will give you 3.5. Straightforward. Question number 2. What is the result of 7 divided by 2? It will give you 3.5, but due to this double slash, it will give you only 3. Which operator has the highest precedence? Plus, exponential, integral operator, percentage, exponential have highest precedence. It means in any expression, if exponential will be there, we have to first solve exponential. Okay, in between these operators. Question number 4. 3 times 4, that will give you 12, plus 2, 14. Answer is 14. Question number 5. 2 plus 5 times 4, it will give you 20. Answer is 20. Question number 6. What does a percentage b return? Remainder. It will return remainder value, remaining value. Question number 7. Value of minus 7 divided by 2 will give you minus 4. Next. Which statement is true? Which statement is true? Return integer? Slash return integer? No. Double slash return float? No. Slash return float? Yes. Double roundup? No. This one C is correct. Question number 1. Value of 2 exponential power 3 raised power. First you will solve 3 raised power 2. 3 raised power 2 is 9. Then 2 raised power 9 is 512. Question number 10. Which is the correct augmented assignment for x equal to x exponential 1? As I told you, first you will use multiplication, sir, not exponential, multiplication. Okay, you x plus wrong, x percentage wrong, x multiplication equal to 5. This is the correct. Question number 11. If a equal to 17 and b equal to 5, which is true? Okay. A equal to 17 and b equal to 5. 17 divided by 5, you will get 2. 17 divided by 5, it's not remainder, it's answer. Means you will get 3. Here answer is 3 times b. B means 5. 5 times 2, 10. 10 plus, what is the remainder? Mean 17. 17 divided by 5, you will get 2 plus 2. Mean 5 times 3, 15 plus 2, 17. Okay, mean this equal to true. Okay, I will check this one. Mean a percentage b 17 divided by 5, you will get remainder is 17 divided by 5, remainder is 2. 2 divided by b 5, no, this is wrong. A percentage b means value of b is 5 and 17 5, this is wrong. A divided by b, this, no. Okay, only true, a is the true. Question number 12. Value of 9 divided by 4 plus 9 divided by 4. Okay, 9 divided by 4, it will give you 4, 2. 2 and 9 percentage 4. When you will divide by 4, it will give you 1. It means 2 plus 1, answer is 3. Okay, this is summary core operator. These are the core operators. Slash give float, double slash floor in integer, modulus is a remainder, work consistently with the negative precedence. First you will solve parentheses, then exponential, then plus minus multiplication, So who will come from left to right? You will solve first and then plus and minus. Use augmented assignment for clear shortcode. Okay, these are the solutions. And thank you. Jazakallah khair.